Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 9 plus pip and a virtual environment. Once done, install requests and an SDK for your chosen IP to location or geolocation API. Next, obtain and securely store the API key in an environment variable. Do not hard code it. Now, identify the target form you will use: an IP address, a phone number lookup, or a device token, and validate its format. This starts the workflow and makes later steps repeatable and auditable. You send an authenticated HTTP request with proper headers and a sensible timeout. Use requests, GET or the provider SDK call. Once you receive JSON, parse fields such as latitude, longitude, city, region, accuracy, and timestamp, and convert types as needed. Make sure to implement exponential backoff for rate limits and retry logic for transient errors. Also, normalize coordinates into floats and validate accuracy before using them. This avoids false assumptions. You finalize by mapping coordinates with Folium or outputting GeoJSON for downstream systems, and then store results with metadata, accuracy, timestamp, and query ID. Once saved, present a human-readable location string and a link to the map. If things go wrong, first log the full response and error code, then verify input formats and API quota. If needed, regenerate the API key or increase timeout. Make sure to respect privacy and legal constraints when using location data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.